What do you think, Iris? What do you think about your teething biscuit? Do you like it? Yummy. Is it delicious? Sure, I'm making a mess. It's a good thing Daddy's not here. He wouldn't like this mess one bit. Oh no, you dropped it. Oh no, here. Here it is. Oop. Oh. There it is. Here it is. Oh, the deliciousness. That's all better, isn't it? Good girl. She likes it. Okay, Iris. Signing off. Say bye.